in this video, we are going to add some final touches, and then we're going to publish it as EPUB. So there was one thing that we missed when we did our table of contents, and let me just show you what that was. We have to make the links, because these are going to end up being interactive, and they're going to be links, these page numbers, and so we have to make them link to the proper page in the chapters. So let's go back to table of contents. If you're not there, just double click on table of contents here in your book, and let's go over to layout, and let's click on table of contents, and we need to also check make text anchor in source paragraph under your options. So right here. There we go. And then go OK. And do I want the table of contents to include items in overset text? No. Okay, and now it's been updated. Of course, I have to change the formatting here again, but that's not too bad. There we go. And then also move that over here. And here we go. And although you can't see that these have become links, it will become apparent later on. So let's save it first. And by now you have the table of contents working. You have chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 with the added charts and images and list and table. And then you have your references. So now when everything is complete and done and it's all good, okay, you might want to go through your pages and check that bit too. Okay, so that all looks good. Do a quick little check. All right. Make sure that they're all in there. Okay, and now when you're happy with it, you can go over here to your menus, to this drop-down menu here, and let's go to Export Book to EPUB. Okay, and I'm going to call this Yin EPUB. Okay, I'm going to change it as reflowable. Okay, instead of a fixed, because that's easier to browse on the web. All right, so next step is to go save. And I am going to make sure that my navigation TOC, I think at default it's at file name, but I'm going to go to multi-level TOC style. Okay, so make sure that you change that and then go OK. And here I have, I'm just going to close everything else that I have here. I have a few other things open. Okay, and here I have my Yin EPUB. Okay, my cover is here. My book title is here. My table of contents here. And when I go take a look at it, there we go. So this is the reflowable, so it doesn't quite look so nice. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4. All right, so let's go take a look at what it looks like in Fix. So I'm going to go back to InDesign and do the same thing. Export book to EPUB, and I'm going to call this Yin EPUB Fix. Okay, and then I'll save as type Fix. Go, and then navigation TOC, I will have multi-level and spread control, so based on document setup. And here we go, let's go see what that one should look like. Here we go, this is what my fixed layout looks like. Cover, chapter 1. Okay, so that you can see that you have more control over what your book looks like here, But try viewing it on your phone and take a look at which one works better on your phone, okay? So again, this one is the reflowable, which kind of disregards most of the formatting. And then you have the fixed, which sticks to the formatting, but you don't get to, you get a different sort of view. I believe you can probably go in and zoom in. Oh, it's not zoom, so you could probably zoom into here. Okay, so let's go to your chapter 1, and if you want to zoom in, you click down here, show reader options, and you have to zoom in. There we go. And okay. So if you're not able to view the EPUB, you need to download something called Bookshelf. So to download Bookshelf, just Google Bookshelf. You need something that can read an EPUB on your laptop or your desktop. Okay, so Bookshelf, VitalSource.com. You can download that here. There are probably many other EPUB readers as well, and Bookshelf is just one of them. All right. So if you have any questions about publishing your document as an EPUB, please get in touch with me. I can help walk you through. So what you need to do before you close out of everything is to make sure that you save all your documents and your book. Okay. Make sure that you go File, Save each one of them, and also in your EPUB folder now you should have all your documents, you should have your book, you should also have your EPUB documents, okay, your EPUB books. So what you would submit to me would be the EPUB book. Okay, please submit the reflowable and the fixed one.